It is that time of year again. No, not New Year's Eve. It is time for Super Bowl Sunday. On this episode, I'm going to go over the top viewing watch parties in Las Vegas in 2023. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you love this kind of content. Also, leave a comment where you plan on viewing the Super Bowl on your Vegas vacation in 2023.
Can't wait till we make it. This the life of JT. He gon' keep it real what he's thinking. Hey. Can't wait till we make it. Keep it 100, we don't fake it. Hey.
Last year, Mom and I had a super memorable time at the House of Blues. We were a little undecided where we wanted to watch the Super Bowl, and we chose House of Blues. I'll leave a link right here where you can check out my House of Blues video of the whole Super Bowl experience that I did have. But let's get into where we're gonna celebrate Super Bowl this year for you guys. And also, I'm still a little undecided, so leave comments in the comment section where you've watched the Super Bowl in the past, and if you had a good time, or was it worth it, or was it not. Let's start off with everybody's favorite, and that is downtown Las Vegas. We're gonna start with the D. They are throwing an amazing watch party in 2023, and for $175, you can get unlimited game day buffet and also all you can drink. Now, if you pay $215 per person, you can have your own separate man cave with all your buddies to enjoy the Super Bowl experience. Next, we are sticking with downtown and one of everybody's favorite places, and that is the Plaza. They are throwing an awesome watch party, very affordable, and for $125, all you can eat stadium food buffet and buckets of beer till the end of the third quarter. So if you're looking for an affordable place to watch your Super Bowl party or watch your game, Plaza is definitely known to throw an amazing party. I don't know why they're stopping with the whole game of all you can eat and all you can drink, but I think inflation is kind of getting everybody in the long run. But go check out the Plaza in 2023 for your Super Bowl viewing watch party. And when talking about downtown, who can leave out Circa? Their sportsbook and stadium swim throws one of the most exclusive, amazing watch parties in all of Las Vegas, but it's gonna cost you a little bit of cash this year. They're gonna have a full pricing menu on their events calendar. Go check them out, circa.com, and you will be able to check out all the pricing for their Super Bowl 2023 watch party. We know we're gonna have to head to the Las Vegas Strip for most of these other viewing watch parties, and coming up this time is Hard Rock Cafe. They are throwing a big game party again this year, and for $300, you are gonna get a 5-hour premium open bar and access to many food stations for their all-day game buffet. The Rock House at the Venetian is throwing another watch party in 2023, and for $200, you will get a premium bar from 2 p.m. till the end of the game, and for $50 additional, you can get an all-you-can-eat food buffet. So for $250, if you're staying at the Venetian or want to head that way, you got your viewing watch party with all you can eat and all you can drink. American Beer and Cocktails is throwing another watch party in 2023. The only problem there is no food at this watch party, but if you want to drink, you don't care about the food, they're located in the Link Promenade, and for $150, you can get an open bar with many drink offers and many different selections. So if you're looking out to drink, you don't really care about the food, definitely check out American Beer and Cocktails. Now let's head to the Miracle Mile shops next to Planet Hollywood, and we're gonna head to Blondie's Super Sunday Party. It'll come at a cost. But for $325, you can get an open bar, premium cocktails, and an all-day buffet style game day menu. So definitely check out Blondie's if you're looking to fork out a little bit of cash and you want that premium bar and all you can eat. If you are looking to view the Super Bowl with all the ambiance of the Las Vegas Strip and you can see the Bellagio fountains, the Beer Park is throwing another big game viewing watch party atop of the Paris. And what that entails is a $200 minimum food and beverage credit, and you can go ahead and pick and choose what you're gonna eat and what you're gonna drink for this one. Make sure you book those early because that one sells out super quick. Cabo Wabo Cantina, located next to Planet Hollywood, is throwing another big day game viewing watch party. And for $250, you are gonna get an open bar along with their game day buffet menu with sliders, little tacos, and all kinds of different things it does have to offer. So definitely check out Cabo Wabo Cantina. The America restaurant at New York, New York is throwing one of their awesome exclusive watch parties. And if you haven't checked out the restaurant, you're definitely gonna have to check it out because it's super exclusive, super private. And for $225, you get an open bar and a game day buffet, and you'll be able to book your tickets by dialing the phone number 702-740-6433. Get in touch with them and they'll be able to book your reservation over there at America Restaurant for your game day viewing watch party. If you're looking to view the game on a massive 16-foot screen, Carnival Court at Harrah's is throwing another viewing watch party, and for $450 you can book your table and you have complimentary bucket of beer when you do that, and then purchase of food is going to be separate on that. But definitely check out Carnival Court at Harrah's. Senior Frogs at Treasure Island throws an amazing Super Bowl party, and they're gonna do it again in 2023. And for $215, you will get an open bar and a game day buffet. The tickets go super quick. Make sure you book those immediately if that's something you have in mind in 2023 for your viewing watch party needs. This next place might have the best viewing party in all of Las Vegas, and I'm not talking about the size of the venue, I'm not talking about the open bar, I'm talking about the food. Carmine's at Caesars Forum Shops is throwing an amazing party, and for $275 you get exclusive all-you-can-eat Italian style buffet which has some amazing menu items, and you'll also get that open bar until 2 minutes left of the fourth quarter. Not sure why they're doing that. I don't know if it's inflation, but either way, if you're a big foodie like your boy JT, go to Carmine's and enjoy that open bar till 2 minutes of the fourth quarter and that amazing food buffet of Italian dishes. A new place to the list from last year, Flights at Planet Hollywood is throwing a viewing watch party this year, and for $195 it includes open premium bar and an all-you-can-eat game day style buffet. So check out Flights. I might check out Flights. Sounds like a good deal. The price is right. Maybe we'll see what it has to offer. One of the best deals as far as cost goes, and we're gonna head to the Link Promenade once again, and at Brooklyn Bowl they're having another big game day party, and for $125 you can get all you can drink well drinks and draft beer and a game day style buffet. So if you're looking to cut a little bit of cost, you're looking to still have some fun, and you're still looking for that open bar, and you're a big beer drinker like your boy JT and don't really drink a lot of mixed drinks and cocktails and stuff like that, definitely check out Brooklyn Bowl at the Link Promenade. One of my favorite places for margaritas and chicken tacos, Carlos and Charlie's. They are throwing another big game day viewing watch party in 2023, and for $110 you can have all day game buffet, but if you want to do that open bar, it's going to cost you $110 for well drinks If you want to do the premium open bar, it's going to be $250, but all the packages are going to include their awesome food with an all-day game buffet. For all you barbecue lovers out there, you're going to love this next selection, and that is Virgil's Barbecue at the Link Promenade. They are throwing another viewing watch party in 2023, and for $225, that'll give you access to a buffet and an open bar, but that ends after the third quarter. So if you're looking to chow down and drink through the whole game, I wouldn't select Virgil's Barbecue, but if you're looking to chow down till the end of the third quarter and you love barbecue, go check out Virgil's Barbecue for their viewing watch party in 2023. This next place, not a lot of people talk about, and that's the Sahara Hotel and Casino. They're throwing multiple watch parties, and one is at Azalea Ultra Pool, and for $120 you will have open bar until halftime. Food is at additional cost for that one. Also, Chicky and Pete's is throwing an exclusive for $256, and that includes gratuity and taxes, and you'll get a $200 food and beverage credit. So if you're by the Sahara, you're staying at the Sahara, check out one of their watch parties in 2023. Probably one of the biggest viewing watch parties in all of Las Vegas, and they have one of the biggest sports books. So if you're like me, you like to bet on the game, you like to do the prop bets, you like to bet on the coin toss, you like to bet on the over and unders, who wins the game, you like to shoot for the underdogs. Well, Westgate throws one of the best parties in all of Las Vegas, and for $250 you can get an all-day game style buffet along with open bar, and here's the kicker, guys, they're gonna do raffles every so often throughout the game, so you're gonna get some raffle tickets to see if you can win different kinds of prizes, all kinds of different prizes. So definitely check out Westgate if you're looking for that full package with all those fun freebie winnings and also a really good game day buffet. They have all kinds of wings, all kinds of stuff, and they have a massive sports book and a lot of occupancy for a ton of guests. And I know you're thinking, JT, you left some out. Why didn't put all of them on this list? But who couldn't forget Ellis Island? I know their front yard is throwing a party. I know the barbecue place is throwing a party. They're throwing parties all throughout Ellis Island. So make sure you check out their website if you want one of their viewing watch parties and you're staying at Ellis Island in 2023. And what's cool about Ellis Island is they still have $5 blackjack. So if you're looking to throw some money down on the tables before or after the game and you don't have a huge budget for it, definitely check out Ellis Island, and you have pretty good odds of winning there. I've won there in the past, so check out Ellis Island for your viewing watch party in 2023. There you have it, the 2023 guide to Las Vegas Super Bowl viewing watch parties. So if these are one of the parties you want to go to, if there's parties that you haven't seen on my list, make sure you leave a comment and remind me, and maybe I'll make a second video of the different kinds of watch parties. These are just a list of a few of them in Las Vegas in 2023. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Check out some of my vlogs around Las Vegas. I am a local, going on 3 years living in Las Vegas, and I absolutely love it. And I love providing good content for you guys to check out some of these parties and to check out things that Vegas has to offer. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Salute, and we'll see you on the next journey.